Picture this. You're staring at your bank account, wondering where all your hard-earned money went. Sounds familiar? You're not alone. It's a concern that plagues many, from recent graduates to hard-working parents. This cycle of earning and spending without a clear understanding can be daunting, leading to sleepless nights and unwarranted stress. But guess what? It's not a life sentence. You have the power to change it. Well, it's time to stop wondering and start taking action towards a secure financial future. Imagine living a life without money worries. Sounds like a dream, right? But it's a dream that can become a reality with financial security. Picture this, you've just been hit with a major car repair bill. Instead of panicking, you calmly handle it, knowing your emergency fund has got you covered. Or imagine reaching your golden years and being able to retire without fear because you've built a robust retirement fund. Financial security is not just about having money. It's about being prepared for life's ups and downs. It's about having the freedom to make choices, to take risks, and to pursue your dreams without the constant worry of, how am I going to pay for this? Did you know that, according to a recent survey, almost half of adults could not cover an unexpected expense of $1,000 without borrowing money or selling something? Financial security isn't just about the money. It's about peace of mind, freedom, and the ability to live the life you want. Now, how do you achieve this financial security? It starts with adopting smart finance habits. First off, let's talk budgeting. Budgeting is the backbone of financial management. Think of it as a roadmap, guiding you on how to spend your money wisely. You don't need a finance degree to do this. Simply list down your income and expenses and plan how you're going to allocate your funds. It's about making conscious decisions on where your money goes, rather than wondering where it went. Next up, saving. There's an old saying that goes, do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving. Start small if you have to, but start. Aim to save at least 10 to 20% of your income. Remember, it's not about the amount, it's about the habit. Finally, investing. Now, this might sound intimidating, but investing is essentially making your money work for you. It could be in stocks, real estate, or even a small business. The goal here is to create additional streams of income, but remember, always do your research before diving in. Let's not forget, these habits aren't just about setting and forgetting. They require consistency. It's like going to the gym. You don't get fit by just going once. It's the same with financial fitness. These habits aren't just one-time tasks. They're lifelong commitments to your financial health. Still skeptical? Let's look at some real-life success stories. Picture this. A young woman fresh out of college, burdened with student loan debt, yet determined to turn her financial life around. She started by cutting unnecessary expenses, slowly building an emergency fund. Fast forward 5 years, she's debt-free and has a healthy savings account. Then there's the story of a middle-aged man who, despite having a well-paying job, was living paycheck to paycheck. He took control of his finances by creating a budget, sticking to it, and investing wisely. Today, he's financially secure with a growing investment portfolio. And we can't forget about the retired couple who, despite a late start, managed to build a comfortable nest egg through disciplined saving and smart investing. These stories prove that financial security is achievable, no matter where you're starting from. It's all about adopting and sticking to smart financial habits. So, are you ready to embrace your financial future? We've covered a lot of ground today, discussing the importance of financial security and introducing you to key habits that can help you achieve it. Remember, it's never too late or too early to start. The first step is to set clear financial goals. Whether it's saving for retirement, a house, or an emergency fund, having a target will keep you focused and motivated. Next, we talked about the power of budgeting. It's about understanding where your money goes and making conscious decisions about your spending. It's not about restriction, but about freedom and control. We also emphasize the importance of investing. It's not just for the wealthy. It's a way to grow your money over time, fight inflation, and secure your future. Remember, the journey to financial security is a marathon, not a sprint. But with these smart finance habits, you're already off to a great start.